Let me check my phone. I don't know which job this is, if it's just exterior or interior. It is just the wash, just exterior. So, it's not hot anymore. It's not 110 degrees. So I know these wheels, so there's not a lot of sun in there, so I know these wheels are kind of cool, but even they're still warm, you know? And so, still hesitant about using non-acid on there. So most likely I won't, and just the tires, or I just be very, very cautious with it. That might be it. That might be the answer. Let's go and start it. Or, I don't know if I should. This job's scheduled. Yeah. Nobody cares about that one.
No money made on that one.
Yeah, nope. Rob would leave right before his appointment's supposed to show up on this giant ass truck. Calling you out, Rob. Asshole. Now I gotta do this beast by myself. Thanks, Obama.
We gotta film like old 90s wrestling promo. Like, I'm gonna see you.
I'm gonna crush you! Wait. That throttle was high. It went round. The water was off. Doesn't make any sense. That's how you mess up a pressure washer. Question is, how do you wash a big truck by yourself? Ah, man, you just complain the whole time and blame other people for it. You know, that's just it. You gotta work fast. Luckily, we have shade. I love this foam cannon. It's so good. I love using brush on the front grill because it gets into all the grooves unlike a wash mitt. So you can really get it nice and clean. Those little soft fibers are getting in there. Get in there, get. A lot of people are talking shit about having a brush. It's like, yes, I know it slightly scratches the car, but damn it, how else are you supposed to clean the car this tall or big? It's still a super soft brush. Even wash mitts will scratch your car a little bit. Anything you do will scratch your car. So people just want to complain and complain. There's a right and wrong way to do a lot of things. It's all relative, like what's really right. Watch this. Flip the wash mitt. For those who say I don't flip the wash mitt. Anyways, I bought that smoked salmon. I've never bought it before. 20 years. I've been seeing it at Costco, whatever it is. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try it out. Norwegian smoked salmon. Being a little fancy. And it comes with like honey mustard and dill. And you put it on crackers. And I was like, shit, I didn't buy any crackers. Luckily, those were like crackers from the kids. So they had Ritz crackers, and I was like, sweet. And so I just ate that, plus the turkey wraps they have at Costco. Oh, those hit. Those are so good. I love those. And then, what else did I eat? Oh, Lay's baked barbecue chips. I love baked chips. I remember when they first came out, people were like, oh, that's not a real chip. And oh, to me, it was like, this is like so like much less grease. You know what I mean? Like I didn't feel like I was getting sick from eating all that grease from the chips. Like Barbecue, especially barbecue chips, dude, they're so greasy. So when they came out with the baked barbecue chips, I was in love. I love baked chips. People would think otherwise, like, that's just your personal opinion. Or your personal opinion is wrong. Do you like baked chips?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, they're the best. There's something about, they have a better crunch too.
Yeah, they always taste like more potatoey to me.
Yes! Oh my goodness, thank you. Everybody says otherwise is stupid. Not just kidding. It's nice that it's cold, it's not hot. I take my sweet time right now. I was working with Marcus. I love working with Marcus. We kind of just have like the same stupid brain. One time, I was humming the Candyman song, and he started singing the lyrics. I was like, ah! I started going crazy. It was like, and then I put the song on my phone, and we were just listening to it during work. Like we just went completely quiet and was just listening to the Candyman song. Who can make the sun rise? But yeah, and then we were talking about Starship Troopers. That was a great conversation we had while working. It was just like, not many people are cultured these days, you know? Just don't understand. I've watched a ton of movies. Rob said he doesn't watch movies.
Yeah.
It's like, you fucking liar! You're lying!
I'm gonna break into your house.
I'm breaking your house. If you're watching a movie, I'm gonna slap you across the face and break your TV. Saying you don't watch movies, you're a liar. He goes, why I watch movies when Jasmine makes me? And I was like, nope, you don't watch movies, dude.
That doesn't count.
It doesn't count. You're watching it. Or keep those eyes closed.
You better just listen to that movie.
I love watching. I don't know if people don't like watching movies. It's one of my best pastimes. I remember, so we used to go to the flea market a lot, and these guys were selling like bootleg VHS videos, and saw a Spider-Man one. I was like, oh, Dad, I want this one. He goes, oh, no. He's like, these aren't good. And I was like, oh, but I want it. I didn't know any better. I was like 6, 7. Got home, I was super excited. Obviously, it was just a video of a guy recording the movie in a movie theater with terrible audio. And I was just like kind of sad. But no, we're like disappointed. Well, it was like whatever. And so I watched Spider-Man off of recording at the movie theater. First Spider-Man, the very first Tobey Maguire. I remember that. But still, I was still kind of excited-ish. I was like, oh, cool, Spider-Man.
Yeah.
But I don't know how I was conditioned to like Spider-Man. I can't even remember from this day, like, why did I even like Spider-Man? Why did I even care? What was I watching then?
You ever watch the old 90s first?
I don't think so.
That shit was hard. Dude, when I was a little kid, I used to watch all the Marvel cartoons. I'd get in trouble. Like,
Really?
I'd get in trouble, but
For
I'd
watching
piss
so
my
much?
pants off.
What was it? I don't know, I was in the, like, I had cable. So, like, we were watching, like, the WB, you know, Shaolin Showdown, all the good stuff, Jackie Chan Adventures. I gotta watch the good stuff, which was like, man.
I started watching Jackie Chan Adventures again because it's on Amazon.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'm like, damn, this shit is still good.
That shit holds.
It really does.
It's just, people don't even know.
There's such better fight scenes than like other cartoons from nowadays.
Yeah, that's true. You're just thinking about it. This Chinese dude got his own American show
Yeah.
in like early 2000s.
With the Chinese cast.
With the Chinese cast. Like, man, that was just like the best times. They didn't care about race or whatever, or color. They was like, oh man, it's a cool show. Shaolin Showdown? Do you remember the show Shaman King?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They did a reboot of it recently.
Did they?
Yeah, they put it on Netflix.
No way.
I swear.
But it's just like, all those shows were definitely not American.
Yeah.
And kids loved them. I don't know why they can't do it to this day. I remember watching it. I remember my first time watching it. My brother it was one of like our family friends. He brought his laptop. It was for like, I think it was like my birthday. He brought his laptop and he was just watching Naruto in like one of our rooms, and everybody else started watching it. And I asked tonight, "Oh, cool, what's going on?" And they were watching it. Got hooked ever since. I remember watching that first episode. How old was I? Naruto's old. I was like 12 or something. It was like one of my old house, but yeah, good times. I wish I could watch Naruto all over again. Not know anything. Watch Jiraiya die.
Brought back bad memories.
I remember watching that episode. Oh man, it was like yesterday. There's always... What scene always makes me cry? There's always a scene that makes me cry. I think it's the Jiraiya. Oh, when he finds out that Jiraiya died.
Yeah.
Oh man, that highlight keeps showing up on my Facebook feed, and I just have to watch it. I just have to watch it, and I get super sad. And he comes like, "What's wrong? Like, what happened?" I said, "Nothing." She goes, "Tell me what happened. What'd you do? What happened? Who did this?" I was like, "No, you don't understand." And she goes, "I was just watching an old anime video." She goes, "Oh, you're stupid." And I was like, "You just don't understand."
You don't get it.
You don't.
His mentor.
Yeah, I was like his dad. He actually trained his real dad.
Yeah.
It was like different. But
I
still.
went to Naruto because this girl that I liked.
Oh.
Naruto. Like, she's super into it. So
Nice.
it was during the pandemic. I literally.
Oh, so you just started watching it?
Yeah. But I watched, like, dude, when I tell you I binge watched Naruto to try to get at this girl, I binge watched all of Naruto and then all of Shippuden, and then I ran out of dubbed episodes. I just watched it subbed. I was like, fuck it, we gotta make it through now.
Oh, I never watched it dubbed.
Yeah, it's like whatever. Dude.
Yeah. But I mean, like, obviously, because I don't think they had it back then.
Yeah.
So I just stuck with it. I liked it in Japanese. I like reading it. But I like subtitles and everything. I cannot watch anything without subtitles.
Yeah.
I just have terrible hearing. Maybe it's ADD. I don't know. It's an excuse to have bad hearing. Maybe we're all diagnosed with ADD. We don't know it.
Have you ever watched Dragon Ball Z Abridged?
I have not. I've seen a couple episodes actually. Yeah, you're right.
Okay, so you know what it is, right?
Yeah, when they're just like just making fun of different scenes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
these guys on YouTube like got the rights to a bunch of episodes and just started making like a fan-based parody.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but there's certain parts of it they kind of do better than like the original.
What was it the one where Vegeta gets punched in the dick by Cooler? Oh, he punched
me in the dick.
Why the dick?
Punch me in the dick.
That's a great one.
They recently.
That's so long ago. Holy shit.
No, it really is. Oh shit. No,
That's why I wear Crocs, so I don't step in the customer's car all dirty. I used to do that with shoes, and being Asian, we don't really tie our shoes that tight. We just slip it on, you know? And so it was always easier. But having Crocs now, I can slip on and off my shoes when I get in a customer's car. It's so convenient. It's a tiny little courtesy. I don't think most people understand. You could just wipe it down again, but nah. All right, let's add a little polymer to this. With black cars, I always wax it a little bit. Now this is also like a drying aid. So I'm not like fully waxing it because the towel's still super wet and damp, and the truck's still wet. But this is gonna help not leave any big droplets or streaks, because the paint's still fairly hydrophilic, which means it likes water and it's holding on to it. Now I want the paint to let go of the water and into my towel or dry it much faster. So adding any spray wax that you have, I like using polymer. It's gonna make the paint look much drier, dry much faster as it's pushing away the water. So if you don't know, hydrophilic is it likes water. Hydrophobic, it doesn't like water. So it's afraid of it. Ooh. Was that Family Guy? Or I forgot what show it was. They were saying something like, what's that mean? It means he's afraid of something. He goes, ooh.
Yeah.
I think it's
Stop
Family.
it, Patrick, you're scaring it.
Yeah, SpongeBob. Thank you. Oh, you're a man of culture.
Of course.
See that? You're a man of culture. Stop it, little Squidward. He's doing Squid. Stop, you're scared. But anyways, you want your paint to be hydrophobic. You want it to repel water, be afraid of water. So it's going to repel a lot of other things like bugs, bird poop, dirt, dust, things like that. Bunch of bugs on here. Thought Rob was back. It's 1:17. His appointment's at 1. He scammed me, dude. He planned this. When he gets back, I'm gonna call him out. Like, you planned this, didn't you? You're gonna leave right before 1 o'clock for your 1 o'clock appointment. A little more wax. Now, it's nice to put wax on the black car because it makes it easier to clean and make it look good. Black cars just shriek all the time. It drives me nuts. I love gray cars and white cars. Stop it, Patrick. You're scaring him. I can't believe you got that. I was trying to think so hard.
Right
I was
away.
like, where's that from?
I was like, I know it.
That makes my heart so full. Like, genuinely, I was like so happy. Like, I was like, damn. I was like really disappointed. Like, where is that from? SpongeBob was a huge part of my life. I watched so much SpongeBob. You know, it's the longest running show in like Nickelodeon.
Is it really?
Yeah.
That makes sense.
It's like 20.
Like, what else would possibly be up there?
Yeah, because everything else would like finish or whatever it was or got canceled. Oh man.
I put SpongeBob like
On the daily.
daily.
That's either SpongeBob or The Office.